Do you want to modify your current social media advertisements in a way that you can literally get double reach at the same cost, and the cost of conversion will also increase at least by 25%? Yes, that is possible by doing a small thing that is increasing the quality score of your advertisement. But how do we do that? In order to do that, I have developed a concept called the concept of love triangle. Let me help you understand. Let us consider a social media platform named Facebook. What are the things that Facebook cares for its business? One is the user and another is the advertiser. Let us say you are a Facebook user, you are scrolling over Facebook and you suddenly see an advertisement. First thing, why did you open Facebook? Because you wanted to see what my friends are doing. You wanted to see what is happening around, what are the stories around the world. So whenever you open a Facebook, you open it for a purpose, and the advertisement that comes in your mobile degrades your user experience. And if that keeps on happening, Facebook will start losing users. And on the other hand, Facebook also has to take care of advertisers because they actually bring in the money. So Facebook has to balance these two things. One is the user experience and another is the expectations of an advertiser. So how does it do that? For that reason, Facebook has developed this term called quality ranking. For advertisements that gives minimum damage to the user experience gets more quality ranking, and advertisers that literally degrades the user experience gets very less quality ranking. If quality ranking is more, Facebook will reward you with high reach at lesser cost. It will promote your ads significantly, and user will also psychologically be paying more attention, because when an advertisement like that comes, user will feel that it is just another post. They won't even detect the word sponsored and they will actually click on it, they will get engaged. So you have to as an advertiser, if you want to hack this quality ranking, you not just have to take care of the target audience and what they like, but you also have to take care of Facebook, so that you also have to build the balance between your target audience and Facebook. Most of the advertisers till now just focus on target audience. I'll give you some examples. Let us consider these advertisements. These advertisements have same content, same captions, same message in creative, same content copy in creative, same call to action, everything similar. Only one difference, that is, this has a real image used, which people use when they actually post something on Facebook, and this has a graphics, which many advertisers these days are using. So it has lesser quality ranking as per Facebook, because whenever user is scrolling and sees this advertisement, he feels just another advertisement, shit man, lot of ads. And here he won't even detect that this is an advertisement. So you can see the difference. The cost per conversion here is 1.036 and here it is 2.67. That is almost half, a little more than half. So you may want to few things you may want to consider while making an advertisement and to increase the quality score. One, use as many original images as possible. Do not use graphics at all. Certain advertisements can be made wherein you do not even use any graphic. See this advertisement, a simple copy is written over here and the rest of the message is mentioned, is conveyed in caption and in this headline. Such advertisements bring more result. Another thing, interesting thing you may want to understand is you can also experiment this. Make two advertisements, everything similar, but in one there is a girl or a guy who is smiling and in another there is a girl or a guy who is not smiling. You run both of them, there is no other difference except this smile, and you will see the image wherein the girl is not smiling will get lesser quality score or will cost more for reach, because Facebook also cares for the vibe that advertisement gives. So a sad photo will spoil the user experience and thus will get lesser quality ranking, lesser quality score. This image is the most ideal advertisement. People, Facebook, everyone wants this type of advertisements. You just put a simple photograph which conveys an emotion, which conveys a small story before and after it, and rest message can be mentioned in caption. You will feel that, oh, this is not enough, this is not enough. How will I convey my actual message? My product is very complex, my service is very complex. It is not easy to explain it here, but it is really very easy, and any damn business can do that. Few more examples. Consider this another example. This is a graphical one. This has some real images of a girl smiling. You will feel as if this is, a normal post, and you can see the difference. The difference is 1/3. So this ad costs 3 times than this ad for delivering the same result, and everything is similar except these photographs. This is a big difference. I'm not talking about 5, 10 or 15%. I'm talking about 300%. I'm talking about 400%. If you do this difference, you are surely gonna see the difference. So I want you all to see your current advertisements that your agency is running. Give your feedbacks based on this, and if you want feedback of your ads from my side, that what do I feel about your ads, simply drop a message on our platform, and I will get back to you and help you understand what this ad has and how can it be enhanced. I do not charge for that. I aim to help you grow. All the best.